hopefully you can see good enough. See what I'm talking about. This piece is 3 1/4. So if I lay it on here, describe a little bit more than describe. I'm blocking you, but see what I'm doing. It's really thin right here. Again, I just cut what I needed left on the top piece. So that pencil line follows the stringer. So I measured up what I want left right there, and I measured from the stringer up to that point, 3 1/4. I cut myself a block, and I traced this stringer. So my little battery saw isn't good for ripping stuff, so I'm gonna make 2 of these. A lot of wasp in here. I'm gonna make 2 of these things, and after I do this one, that's my template, my pattern, make another one, and just to be on the safe side so I don't have to do that again, I might trace out one more on a board. That way I have a backup. Alright guys, so 3 stringers, new cross piece in there. You can see the level. It worked out really good. So now I need to sheet the floor. I need to get the sheeting up to the side walls underneath, and then I'm going to show you. Then a 2x2 goes down, and then plywood up to this framing right here, and then it'll go over to that board. So I have to do that before I can start on this part. So I had to stop framing out there. I needed that piece in anyway, but to get that all pulled straight again, and this wall is just floppy. I need to get the whole floor done and pretty much start from the bottom up. So that part's done. Alright, another day. I am going to work on the floor. I got those stringers in yesterday and that's all done. I went and bought the plywood to go on the floor. And so I'm going to start off, I'm going to clean all this up down in here. Clean that up first, trying to get everything out of the way. For as big as this boat is on the inside, it's only 9 foot wide across. I guess I haven't really measured the whole length of it on the inside, but start on cleaning. Glued up the joist. And under the window. Fun. The window sticks out a little ways. I gotta do this without scraping off all of it. Walk. These screws is the center line. Then I come back and just use nails. They use nails, so must be alright. Now I got the one cut where I was just walking for right here. This is the way they did it. They did the 2 edges and then filled in the middle. So I'm just doing what I see done. Might not even, well, I already kind of glued the middle. I'll glue it. I'll make this thing sturdy. Okay. Got the floor in back here. Now we are going to concentrate on this. So get a nailer on the bottom. I'm going to drill and put a nailer right here in this bulkhead. Plywood should come up to here, in here somewhere. And then the framing's on the outside for the rest of it. And then the house piece sits down on top of that. So probably do a Craig jig type thing for that. Okay, so I have this board nailed down here to the floor. This has got a 1/2 inch plywood and then it's fiberglass. I drilled holes in there. Now I'm going to glue and screw another 2x2 up under there. That'll start the framing for the plywood that needs to come up to about here. So it's 1/2 inch ply. It's kind of weird. It's 1/2 inch plywood up to here. It all ties into that. That framing under here comes over here and sits on top of it. And then this is all 3/4 up above. It's like the hole was built and then the top house piece was set on top of it. Alright, well, this side is closed back in. That's what it looks like out here. So the framing is going to go from here to here. So this will get a 2x4 nailed across it at the right height so that the plywood can slide in underneath here. And then this is supposed to be a caulk joint. So this will get beefed up too. But now I'm going to be able to pull everything in and out, get it squared up, straightened. So, still a long ways to go. I'm going to try and tackle that side. I'm getting close to getting it closed in. I might just put some plastic or something over that front piece, because then the air conditioning does work in this thing, because it's killing me how hot it is. But I could close this off. This is going to be kind of cool. So this is going to be a little set of stairs that goes down to underneath. It'll have 2 entrances. And this piece, there's a bench right there and a window. So it's starting to get closed in. Bought too much lumber. It's all in the way. Keep having to move it. Okay, so back exposed areas are now closed in. This side over here I did the same as the other side that I showed you. So now I can go to framing all this in about Thursday. Today's the 4th of July, so on Thursday I should be getting all my fiberglass and all the resin and hardener and stuff. So I'm not going to do the deck until I have all that stuff in hand, because I don't want the plywood to be out there exposed. So I'm doing all right. I haven't even had this thing a week, and we're making progress. I might concentrate on this back wall to get it framed up. So right here I'm going to make, so that's the generator you can see. I'm going to make this this hole bigger, frame it up nice so that it's a removable door, even if it's remove some screws, insulate it so it's soundproof. But in case I want to pull that thing out of there, I wish I could find a way to do an inverter in there instead of that big cooler, but it's a 7.5 kilowatt and it's liquid cooled. So we'll see. The front, all this area is not too bad. It's just mainly this wall's got some rot above the window, so I'll take the window out and redo all that. And then this one was bad, this whole back section's out. And same way with that section. So I'll redo that. And that's 3/4 inch plywood up there. Now I'm going to work on getting the air conditioner. I'm going to make some kind of little things that shoots out the front and back instead of just blowing straight down on the ground. That wasn't working very good. But that thing works. And it gets cold. Plus,